welcome to our room.
Living and dining room.
How amazing is this space? Oh my gosh.
It's just so homely.
This is our living area here. So we've got our built-in Kingsman cabinetry, our bookshelves.
It's a beautiful steak fireplace that you can sort of see through.
I love that it's three-sided so you can access it from anywhere in this space. We have our beautiful dining area here.
8-seater, but you can have 10 if you need.
You can have 10 if you need to. The beautiful double doors out here that lead out to our alfresco space. I love the exposed beams up here.
The detail on the ceiling with these timber slats, I really like that. I think that's really cool. It gives it texture, it gives it a good feeling.
Kirsty brings love. This has got heart.
I love this space. This is my favourite space so far, and
just so homely and cosy. Everyone else has these towering ceilings, but ours is just nice and cosy and more like, just feels like a family already lives here.
Yeah,
we love it.
We love it. It's beautiful.